Steve here, RC. I'm here with the Kyosho Scorpion. We're gonna do a GPS speed test. I got 2S LiPo and I have a Tamiya torque tune motor in there. So we're gonna go down here, give it a little speed run, and then we'll do a rip with it. Let's see what she does. Whoa, it does wheelies. Looks pretty quick. Let's see what she does here. Whoa! It's got good brakes. She's all over the place. That's pretty good. 23.6. Let's try to beat it real quick. Let's see what she got. It's damn fast for this thing. We got 25.4 miles an hour. Look at that. Now let's go give it a rip. All right, let's give her a rip. It does do wheelies. Ripping real good. It's got a lot of power. I love these tires on this thing. You could actually put them on the Hornet with the adapters and make it work real good. Look at the tread on them suckers. You gotta be easy on this terrain with this. It's pretty damn quick. Holy crap. And the suspension on it works awesome. Oh! I don't know what the hell's over here. Oh, I see what I'm hitting. Hitting this. Oh! That's what I'm hitting. Oh, sure. I don't believe how fast this sucker's going. Whoops. This thing rips. Look at this. That's fast as hell for what this is. Thing's a beauty, I'll tell you. The suspension on it, really nice. Whoa, I can see that. Oh, this thing rips. I'm liking this. I didn't use it in a long time. I don't believe it handles this so well. The suspension floats over this stuff. Except for that beauty. Tumble! There goes my lipo cutoff, guys. Hope you enjoyed this beauty. I know I did. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. Chen RC, we'll see you next time. This Kyosho Scorpion's a real beauty.